Hello guys, good evening all of you. It's Shibangi here. So our today's topic is autobiography of a paper presentation on area of five main drugs of five major companies in the world. Actually, we just have to find out the five main drugs of the five major companies as pharmaceutical companies, okay, in the world. So we have to find the major area. Okay, so let's start from the first one drug, who is Stellara. Okay, Stellara is a Johnson and Johnson's company's product, which name is Stellara. Actually, it has an area as nasal congestion, sore throats, runny nose, upper respiratory infection, fear, headache, vomiting, like that, diarrhea, bronchitis. It's a lots of area it has. Okay, but the most important the area is an immunosuppressant, and it may increase the risk of malignancy. It is actually increase the rate of risk of malignancy in actually 1.7% of patient in the Stellara who can take the 19 mg of Stellara. Subsequently, every 8 week of groups reported the serious infection versus 2.3 in a placebo group during the phase 3 of maintenance study. So this area is very dangerous. It has an autobiography as a after using this drug we got the risk of malignancy. So is still no recovery for it. That's why it's mainly known as a danger drug too of Johnson and Johnson, which name is Stellara, ustekinumab. Okay, so that's about the first one, Stellara, who is Johnson's. Next one, the Protonix, who is the Pfizer's, the Pfizer, who the company, the first globalized company all over all the world. This product is a Protonix. It is a part of a larger group of a proton pumps inhibitor. Actually, inhibitor lawsuits. Pfizer faced a number of Protonix lawsuits after its acquired drug company with who had been accused the marketing of drug for unapproved uses. Actually, it is used for the unapproved uses for the marketing. We saw in 2013, Pfizer agreed to pay the 55 billion settling for the settled illegal marketing claims. The company still be facing the lawsuit for the kidney injuries caused by this medication, whose name is Protonix. So that's it also has large issues. The sold out. The lots of files filed against the Protonix of Pfizer. This is the second one drug of the Pfizer Protonix. Next, I'm talking about the Mysalate, which is Dr. Reddy's drug. Actually, this is the name of the product is imatinib Mysalate tablet 100 mg, tablet 400 mg, that after pregabalin capsule 50 mg, carbonate tablet 500 mg, Tadalafil tablet 5 mg, Tadalafil tablet 20 mg. That's all the tablets name into the Dr. Reddy's. Hazard, it actually has a hazard, and you can see the areas which not labeled. The product or prescription notification were labeled but distributed by the Dr. Reddy's. It's only for the institutional work only. The prescription medication were distributed by a third party wholesaler to retailer, pharmacies, and could have been dispensed to consumer. The packaging of the product is not child resistant and can be posed to risk of poisoning contact with the swallowed by the young children. So they are not mentioned as like that. This is also the because sometimes we don't know about it. The if a child get it, this was the very huge hazard for the children. So you have to make sure about it. Also, the lots of claim about this mesalate by the Dr. AZ. It is a huge company, Dr. AZ. They don't have to do these silly things. That's why they claim for it. Okay, so that's about the Dr. AZ's mesalate. Last one is our ciplatin tablet. I think all know that about the ciplatin tablet. It's have an undesirable effects. It's have lots of ADR with regarding to the antihistamines are as follows: central nervous system, integumentary, special senses, cardiovascular, hematology, digestive system, genitourinary system, respiratory. The lots of ADR it had ciplatin. So we don't think about that the Cipla is a huge company and so great company, so though they don't do any ADR. Okay, that's the lots of also claim and fall against them. Lots of women fall this complaint against this ciplatin tablet because it antihistaminic. It is actually used for the antihistaminic, but it causes some reaction, as I said, in central nervous system, sedation, sleepiness, excitation, or the spatial senses as like acute labyrinthitis, blurred vision, diplopia, vertigo, tinnitus. Okay, the lots of reason it's have. This is basically about this presentation. In I just given you a shortly information about uh, the the classic examples of the huge companies, Cipla, Dr. Reddy. So lots of example I gave to you. So it's depend on you which will you choose. That's shortly about the idea of the some drug of the some major companies. That's about guys. Okay, thank you.